you see the business opportunities between our two countries?
Well, I think there are great opportunities for both Slovenian companies and for, well, particularly for Northern Irish companies. I'm based in Northern Ireland, and with my role to promote Slovenian companies in Northern Ireland, I think that there are lots of good opportunities across many different sectors. I think that particularly Slovenian food and drink products, which are fantastic. I think there are really good opportunities for them. ICT, creative media, really across a wide range of different industry sectors. I think there are good opportunities for Slovenian companies. I know that often when people want to export or do business with the UK, that they will often target London first of all, but London is an extremely competitive market because everybody in the world wants to export and to do business in London. But sometimes to work with one of the regions, somewhere like Northern Ireland, can be maybe an easier entry point into the rest of the UK. So I would encourage Slovenian companies, when they're looking at the UK, to come to Northern Ireland and to look at how they might maybe start doing business with Northern Irish companies who can then help them to do business in the rest of the UK.
Vaše izkušnje na angleškem trgu so bogate. Kaj svetujete, kdaj odpreti recimo pisarno v Angliji in na kaj treba pri tem paziti?
Gre odvisno od tega, kakšno je podjetje. Če je proizvodno intenzivno, najbrž v kasnejši fazi, mi pa smo zelo razvojno orientirani. Skušamo slediti in postavljati svetovne trende. V takem primeru je smiselno iti na tuji trg. Nam, Slovencem, je seveda najbližje britanski, zgodaj v fazi razvoja, da preverjamo ideje, da jih mogoče celo bogatimo in, kar je najbolj pomembno, testiramo na trgu.
Na kaj treba biti pa pozoren?
Pozoren je treba biti najbolj na to, da si najboljši.